Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change scan option on real-time protection in Windows Defender. So of course there is a real-time protection feature in any antivirus you install on your system. The feature on Windows Defender is a quick scan, full scan, or the other scan that you can try. For example, you can open the Windows Defender first. You can double click on the system tray. Here you can click on Virus and Threat Protection tab. Under Current Threats, under Quick Scan, there is a Scan Options text here. You can click it. Here we go. In the scan option, you can run a scan from the available option on this page. So there's by default is quick scan. Check folder in your system where the threats are commonly found, or you can choose full scan. Check all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. Customize scan. Choose which files and location you want to check. And last is Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. Some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definition. This will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. So I recommend you to do a full scan, maybe like once for a week or once for a month, to clean up or to prevent virus or malware or ransomware, adware, any threat that can harm your system to remove by Windows Defender. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.